Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, how have you been?
Yeah, I am good. And what about you?
Yes, I have been great. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, so as we are meeting with the very first time, okay, so I want you to introduce yourself. So please.
Yeah, this is Anand from Jharkhand. At
Mhm.
present, I live in Madhya Pradesh, and my qualification is MA in English Literature. I completed my BA. After
Mhm.
BEd, after BA, I BEd and then MA in English Literature. This is all about my qualification. And
Okay, so
at present, I do nothing. Means after completing my MA in English Literature,
mhm.
so I'm not preparing for anything. So this is all about myself. So let
Okay,
me
thank
know
you so
about
much.
yourself also. Yeah.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Okay, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. So, this is Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from Bihar. And if I talk about my educational qualification, I'm an arts graduate since 2019, and currently I'm teaching English, and simultaneously I'm running a YouTube channel, and that is Let's Play with English, and I'm going
Yeah.
to hit 1K subscriber in upcoming week. Yeah, so that's it. And
Yeah,
if you have
that
any
is great.
question, then you can ask. If you have any question,
Yeah.
then you can ask.
Yeah. So apart from this YouTube, okay, what do you do? Daily activities.
Yeah, I have told you that currently I'm teaching English. I am a part-time English language trainer. I especially train to the people who wants to learn English, who wants to speak English, and who they want to develop their communication skills. So I especially help them. Yeah.
Okay. How did you get inspired to teach like English?
No, actually, I just started teaching because I was not able to speak English and I was not good at English. So I just thought that if I just came in this field and if I start teaching, then I have to learn at any cost because if I'm going to teach to the student and I'm not able to make them understand, so for that I should study. So that's why I just started learning. Okay, somehow I know suddenly I started teaching English. Okay, yeah,
Okay,
I
that's great.
I didn't. Okay,
Which level do you teach? Means which level, which standard do you teach? Like high
I
level,
teach
low level, and the middle
I
level.
teach any of them. I teach any of them. There is no any limitation. If you are studying in class 5, if you are studying in class 8, and if you are studying in you are doing any diploma course, okay, and if you want to I want to develop my communication skills, so you can join, you can attend my classes. Yes, so there is no any age limit and there is no any foundation.
Yeah. Apart from this, what do you do? Giving this training for that learners. Apart
Mhm.
from what work do you do?
I nothing do that. Okay, I just waste my time at my home, and sometimes when I get free time, I love making videos, and I love to play cricket. So yeah, I only these two activities I do that.
Then what are the methods do you use to teach
Mhm.
students, your trainers?
Yeah, there are many ways I implement on them. Just like if you want to get the fluency, then you have to follow many activities like the chain speaking, storytelling, and coming to the podium and talking to the people like mutual talk. So there are many activities I conduct in my classroom. Okay, if you are in the classroom, okay, then you will come to know each and everything what I do, especially in my classroom. Yeah.
Yes. And then you told I have the YouTube channel, isn't it? You upload everyday videos. Then
Yes, I
how did you
upload
connect?
every.
Yeah. How did you connect with people? What are the method do you use to connect so many people to get this kind of
Now
videos?
nowadays I am the part of one group and on Skype. I maybe let's talk, or maybe I don't know. I'm not sure that. And apart from that, I have a YouTube channel. Already told you that. So sometime my subscribers approach me. Mitlesh used to talk to me, and they send me the message. So in this way, I connect to the people, and I get every day 5 and 6 messages. Mitlesh used to talk to me. Okay, I really want to talk to you. Okay, I'm your subscriber. Okay, so in this way, I connect to the people, and I get the people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you
I'm so
enjoy
happy.
this? Do you enjoy this kind of work you're doing for the others also and for your benefit also, isn't it? Yes. Do you enjoy
Yeah,
your life?
absolutely. Exactly. I enjoy a lot because if I talk to them, okay, even I can enhance my communication skill. I should brush up my English as well on every day, and even they can learn something from my videos, and they can also improve, by listening and my videos. So absolutely, I can enjoy. I must say that I enjoy a lot.
Okay, that is great. Yeah. So, so you can ask any question regarding myself. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think it was your turn. Okay. You were asking the question. Okay. Now it's my turn. Okay. I'll ask many questions. Okay. Because there are many question hunting in my mind, and definitely I should go for it. So, first of all, let
Yeah.
me know that you are in MP now.
Yeah. In Madhya Pradesh, yes. With my family
Okay.
members.
So, since when have you been staying there?
My father was in bank sector, so
Hmm.
he usually to get transferred here and there. So he got a
Hmm.
retirement and we settled here only. Actually my native place is Jharkhand,
Hmm.
but at present we constructed our house here, and at present we are living here only.
Okay. Okay. Very good. All right. So, I think you are also YouTuber. Am I right?
I am not YouTuber. Yeah,
Okay. So, you're only
not yet.
improving your
Yes,
skill.
not yes. I am not yet created any channels. Okay. So
I think in
I
it.
want to improve. Yes, I want to improve my speaking
Mhm.
level, my with the others. So that's why I am connecting with different people. So like this, I am practicing my English.
Absolutely. You are really doing great job, and there is no match because
Yeah.
first of all, you are going to improve yourself, so that is the best things. Because if you just create a channel, and if you do not have a good skill, if you do not have the clarity of voice, and if you upload the video, then people are not gonna watch your content. Yes.
Yeah.
So I
Yes.
think
Yeah.
first of all, you should improve yourself, and when you upload your video, then your video will make noise on YouTube everywhere.
Yes.
Yes. So how long have you been doing such kind of practice, like by video call?
Yeah. This is, I think, the last 2 weeks I started.
Hmm.
So someone joined in a Skype in that group. Okay, meetup in that group. In that group, okay, I drop my message
Hmm.
whenever I free. So people they message me back. Then I try to contact with them and I practice like this. And I watch the TV English news as well as broadcast in English
Hmm.
and readings. These are the method I use to practice my English.
Okay, that's really interesting. Okay, you are really doing great job. Okay, so what's your hobby? May I know that? What's your hobby?
My hobby is sitting alone.
Your hobby
Okay,
is sitting
away
alone.
from sitting alone, away from friends. Okay, without any requirement, I don't go with my friends. Actually, I sit alone and read and do something. Okay, that is my hobby. And
Don't
apart
you feel
from,
bad?
I
Don't you
like
feel
to play
bad?
hockey. And yes, I like to play hockey and I play football as well as.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how to play football, and do you know how to play hockey?
Yeah. In school level, I used to play. Yes. Forward level, I used to play. Yeah.
Okay. You also like to play cricket, or was the
Yeah.
cricket?
I play. Yes. I played many times. Okay. I like to play cricket also.
Okay, so I must say that okay, I think you are the supporter of Chennai Super King because you are from Jharkhand.
Yeah, I am from
Okay,
Jharkhand.
let me talk something about Mahan Singh Dhoni because he is the legend. Okay, and you are from Jharkhand, so I think you can explain up well about him. So could you please tell something about Mahan Singh Dhoni and his captaincy when he was when he was the captain of India?
If I say about Dhoni, personally, I did not meet him
Mm-hmm.
by watching news, okay, by newspaper, by watching television. I know. So people also they know, even though they are not from Jharkhand, even though I am from Jharkhand, but still I don't about him in television. Like this, I came to know. Okay, so he's very great because he's from Uttarakhand and he came to there and okay he was born and brought up there and he
Mm-hmm.
educated there and okay he named for the Jharkhand for good cricket player. So regarding about himself, I like to say okay he's the great okay because he has done lot of things for a Indian, isn't it? Okay, name and
Yes, yes,
fame. So that's all about and about know him and whatever the others also they know about Dhoni. The same thing I also know him because personally, if I would have made, then it is good because I'm not in Jharkhand. If I would have been in Jharkhand, then I would have met him. Okay, like this.
yes.
So it was
You are
not. Yeah,
you are well explaining boy. Okay, you are well
yeah.
explaining boy. So have you ever tried to meet him? Meet him? Have you ever tried? Have you ever
Actually, I
been?
am aware.
Have you ever been to
Yes,
his home?
yeah. I have not been, but I have been in Ranchi, but I did not go to his house because I am here and there, one city to another city.
Mm-hmm.
So because my father was the bank sector, and as you know, the transport they got here and there. So that is the reason. Okay, I did not get particular time to visit there Ranchi and meet him. So that is the big reason to not meet and unable to meet with him. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely. I wish you all the best. Okay, in upcoming time. Okay, you will meet him and
yeah.
get some experiences from him because he is a very experienced guy and he has
Yeah,
no match because he is the you know uh, expectation of millions of people and he is the inspiration of millions of people. Most of the people they follow him. They walk whatever he says.
yeah.
Yes.
Some of them, yeah, they follow a lot of yes.
Because his mindset is very cool. Whenever he plays on the crease, he never takes tension. He always be in cool mood.
Yeah, that is
Yeah,
great.
the
No,
way
you
he
should
the
be
way he
cool. Yes, he
yeah the way
doesn't
he
tense. Okay, whatever.
behaves to the
Okay,
people.
what? Yes, whatever it happens. Okay, he doesn't get any that much angry and he's very cool. Okay, whatever. Okay, he has led the so many games, but we have seen him. Okay, he's very normal person, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. So have you watched the World Cup in 2011 when Dhoni was the captain of India and
Yeah, final I watched that. Yeah,
yeah because his contribution was really remarkable.
yeah,
In a words I cannot express how he did for India. Yes, there were there were 10 players, okay, who has contributed, but as a captain, okay, he performed well.
very well. Yes.
By the way, I'm not supporter of Chennai Super Kings. By the way, I'm not supporter of Chennai Super Kings. I support Mumbai Indians. You know because I'm the the follower of Rohit Sharma. I follow Rohit Sharma, yeah, and
Yeah,
he's a great a player, and his playing style is absolutely up to the mark. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, individual person has their own choice to follow, isn't it? Because
Exactly.
their
Because
work
India is
and
a
their
because
yes,
India is a democracy country, okay, where people have different have mindset, they have freedom. You can you can do anything whatever you want. Nobody can pressurize you. Nobody can force you. You have to follow. Uh, you have to convey his thoughts. No.
yeah, that is great. Yes.
Okay, so is there anything special do you want to ask in the last?
Mhm. Which district are you belong to?
I'm from Bihar.
That is a state district.
Talking about district, I'm from Madhubani. Do you know Madhubani
Oh,
painting?
yeah, Madhumani.
Have
Yes.
you ever heard about Madhubani painting?
Yeah, I have visited there. Not there in Motihari,
Yes,
Patna.
Motihari. It comes in
Motihari,
Bihar.
Patna. Yes, yeah.
Comes in Bihar. Patna is the very the famous place, and it is the capital of Bihar. Patna is the capital of
Yeah.
Bihar.
Yes. That is all about. Yeah.
So I think in this video, okay, we have covered each and everything like casual talks, and in upcoming time, in next time when you have any special topic, then you can discuss with me, and definitely we will learn something with each other. So thank you so much
Yeah.
for your precious time. Thank you so much, for having conversation with me. I'll catch you
Yeah.
very soon.
Yes. Thank you very much from my side.
Welcome.
Okay. Have a good day. Yes.